Start recording. It's recording. I think it's recording. Okay, good. So hopefully fan isn't too loud. I tried it, I put it in on CapCut and I couldn't, like, I kept getting like an internet error thing. So I'm gonna try this way, and then I'm gonna try maybe just recording audio separately. Okay. Ooh, mushroom. 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 Okay, so let's fight that little slimy. Oh, that was a lot of damage. That was a lot of damage. Okay. It took my HP though, because I was on fire, that's why. Okay. Let's go fight a slime. Or those guys. Let's go fight those guys. Okay, I'm just gonna get her attack down first. Okay, that's interesting. The little... Wait, hang on. The two, like, the strikes that go back and forth, those are interesting. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Ooh. Ha. Wait, why am I wearing this outfit all of a sudden? Okay, that's bizarre. I don't know what's going on. Alright, let's go fight this guy. Yeah. Wah, wah, wah. I feel like those aren't battle cries. Let's try. Yeah. Yeah, ha, ha. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, I might have to record to the video because I don't think my sound effects are matching very well. Ha. Yeah. Ha. 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 Is this working? I don't know. Ha. Hoo. Ha. Ha. It should be like dun 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 dun. Dun 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 da. Da. Dun 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 da. Dun 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 da. Last one like yeah or something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I want to hear the Miliastria sound effects real quick. Hang on. Let's go to audio. Does she even make a sound? Oh yeah. So it's like ha, hey. Ha. Ha. Okay, that's better. Ha. Huh. I have it in Japanese too, so it kind of sounds a little different. Hut, hot, hat, ha. Okay, that's better. Hut, hot, hat, ha. Huh? I'm using like my normal voice. I could give her a higher voice. What should I do? Hut, yeah, ha, Ha! Okay. Ha! Ooh, ha! Hey. Okay, let me imagine. Yeah! Whoo! Hey! Sort of like that. Okay, let's go fight some stuff. Yeah! Ha! Hey! Oh. Ah! 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 Maybe I should do like a villain sound. Let me see. Ha! Hey! Hey! Ha! Oh, so she laughs. Okay. What does Yao Yao do? Yo! Yo! Ha! Hey! Yo! Ya! Yo! Ha! Ha! Ah! What's right, Miko? So she says I don't know what the last one is. What does she say in English though? I think she just goes ha ha ha. Ha. Yeah. Yeah. Ha. Yo. I don't think that one's working. Let's try this one. Yeah. Ha. Okay, let me try Bennet Voice. Let me open up his character dialogue. Story. No, we need his voiceover. This is your team? Cool. I like the vibe. This is your team? Cool. I like the vibe. This is your team? Cool. I like the vibe. This is your team? Cool. I like the vibe. I'm Bennet, leader of Benny's adventure team. Any chance we can team up? Please? 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 Okay, that's fun. What else should we do? Does she have any story? She does not have story. She does not have any story. Profile, no. By which? Octavia. Okay, let's try young Miko. I'm burping, excuse me. Yo ha oh. I think the first one was good. I am the Guji of Grand Narukami Shrine. The purpose of my visit is to monitor your every move, for such is the order of the shrine. Oh, come on, don't be so nervous. It's only officialese, for goodness sake. I couldn't just go gallivanting around for no reason at all, could I? Now, come on, do something amusing for me. Okay, that was cool. That was a good take, I think. She's got that weapon. Story. Let's try narration. Narration. Okay. The head shrine maiden of the Grand Narukami Shrine, descendant of Hakushin's lineage, Eternity's servant and friend, and the intimidating editor-in-chief of Yae Publishing House, a publisher of light novels. Come to think of it, Yae Miko's nicknames are as myriad as her changeable moods. The number of people who have tried to figure her out for various reasons could fill the streets from Tenro Commission Estate to Yae Publishing House if you were to line them all up, but to this day, very few indeed have succeeded. Not that Miko has ever intended to conceal anything, of course. Any capriciousness is but the result of doing as she wills and pleases. A riddle with no solution is no riddle at all, in any case. You just need to remember that she will always be none other than the wise and beautiful Yae Miko. That was a contest of magic for the ages. The foe split the seas as they strode across the skies, heaven and earth changing hue as they approached. Gohei in hand, the Lady Guji was solemn as she strode up to Mount Yogo. All around her, the shrine maidens chanted their mantras as the clouds masked the sun, the thunder waiting within for the moment to strike. Okay, cool. Let's do Yao Yao. Okay, let's see. No, stop. Okay. Yao Yao. Yao 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 Yao. Yao 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 Yao. Yo. Yao Yao. Hello. 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 Uh-oh, puppy dog's barking at me. I'm making strange sounds, aren't I? Hello. Hello. He's just staring at me. Okay. Hello. I'm Yao Yao. I'm Yao Yao. I'm Yao Yao. Hello, I'm Yao Yao, a lowly disciple of the Adeptus, street ward rambler. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. If you encounter any difficulties outdoors, then let me help you. Oh. Oh, by the way, I brought some fried radish balls with me. Help yourself. Don't eat too many, though. Too much oily stuff is hard work for your body. If you're still hungry, I brought a freshly washed radish and some vinegar, so I could make you a shredded radish salad if you want. Interesting. I think I can go even higher. Like, she's a kid, so like, hello. Hello. I'm Yao Yao. Hello. 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 I'm Yao Yao, a lowly disciple of the Adeptist, street ward rambler. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. If you encounter any difficulties outdoors, then let me help you. Oh, by the way, I brought some fried radish balls with me. Help yourself. Don't eat too many, though. Too much oily stuff is hard work for your body. If you're still hungry, I brought a freshly washed radish and some vinegar, so I can make you a shredded radish salad if you want. It's fun, but... Let's try it again. Okay, whoops. Switch to Yao. I'm just making a bunch of strange sounds at this point. I don't know. Let's try the mannequin again. Manekina? Manekina. I think I forgot to breathe when I was doing Yao Yao's thing. I was like going so fast it felt like. Say ha ho ha hey. Let's go fight the Whopperflower. I like the narration though. The narration is a lot of fun. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Hello, Whopperflower. Hot, yeah. What does her attack do? Okay, cool. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna take a break and then come back and just record audio. Yeah, let's do it. Thanks for watching.